welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something with our dogs.
Yeah, three things that our dogs do that we hate.
You meant,
We hate.
no, she meant 10 things that we hate. Remember? She doesn't really remember things that much anymore.
No. Okay, ready?
Now you hold this camera.
Okay, go get the dogs.
How about we just let...
We have to introduce them. Okay.
No, I already showed them. Okay, and guys, remember
That one's
this
Titan.
one? This one's Titan, the new dog.
Giant.
He loves laying down and cuddling. And here's the opposite dog. Her name's Stacy, remember?
She loves playing. But sadly,
We're going to be doing this just with this girl. And we're going to
No.
try to get him to do it.
well, by the way, one thing, I might be allergic to them, so we're going to have to get rid of them soon. If I am allergic.
Now you hold this camera the opposite way. That way. Now keep it that way. Tighten back your booty.
It's my babies!
Daisy.
Go get Zoe. I did not say, Titan, come here. Daisy, get Zoe. Get Zoe.
Say get her, Daisy.
Get her, Daisy. Get her, Daisy.
No, get Titan out. Keep Daisy in.
Ruff, ruff, ruff.
No, get Titan out and I'll keep Daisy in. Get Titan out.
Go, Titan. Okay, ready?
And now, get her, Daisy, get her.
Get her, Daisy, get her. Get her, Daisy. Daisy, Daisy. Daisy, get her. Get her, Daisy. Why is she not doing it? Oh, poor baby.